Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters today to show you a fantastic new Class B motorhome. This is the Pleasure-Way Ontour 2.0 on the Ford Transit chassis, and this is the short chassis. This is the 22-footer. This is about a 19.5-foot coach. One of the most sought after sizes in Class Bs because they're so parkable and drivable and they get such great mileage. And one of the things I want you to know about this is the Ford EcoBoost twin turbo. So it is like driving a little race car. It's very good handling and very snappy and really reliable. I love this van. I can't wait to show it to you. First, we're going to take some photos around the outside and then we'll come back and I'll show you all the stuff on the inside. All right? Now down the driver's side of the vehicle, you see that you've got all of your utilities down this side, and being from Pleasure-Way, they've done some really innovative things on this. For example, in the utility center here, it's got an automatic shutoff for your propane system, and your shore power and water power and cable connectors are all right here, easy to do. It's also got an outside shower, and then down along the running boards here, it's got an easy to access compartment where you can get to your propane and some of the other utilities that the vehicle has. Okay, now let's take a look at the interior of the coach. So the thing about Pleasure-Way is that these guys have been around a long time and they've never built anything but B vans. This is their specialty, and they are a benchmark product. This is the one that everybody compares to. They look at something and they want to know if it's as good as a Pleasure-Way. That's what I love about these things, and you can tell right when you walk inside. All of the cabinets in here are solid lumber, beautiful, nicely finished. They have several different choices for interiors, but look at all the storage this thing has. Now remember, this van is only 19.5 feet long. This is something that, you know, typically you would say, where am I going to put my stuff? But there's a ton of room in here, and that's pretty nice. Now back here in the back, you can see that they have a really comfortable seating area. And this whole situation is very versatile. First of all, we have a special table that goes right here and it just slides into place and locks, and it's completely, it can swivel, it's fully articulating, it'll do all kinds of stuff. It's adjustable height and everything. So that goes right here. We've got seating for people all the way around, and I want to point out that this has shoulder harnesses and a center lap harness, plus the 2 front seats. So you have safe seating for 5. If you have kids with car seats, they have a safe place to sit. You know, most motorhomes don't really have shoulder harnesses for more than 2 people. So this is a really useful vehicle as a passenger vehicle, not just as an RV, and that's one of the charms of this category. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how this couch works. It's fantastic. All I got to do is push a button and it lays itself right down. Now, Pleasure-Way uses beautiful ultra leather finishes, and they use a Swedish memory foam cushion. So these are easily the most comfortable RV cushions that you'll ever see. And what I've got here is a setup that can be 2 twin beds, 2 people sleeping full length this way, or you can use these other cushions and fill in the middle so you can have it be like a king size bed. It's very comfortable. And here's something I really like. Here. I can run it about halfway, and I got a nice little movie town back here. I can watch my movies or read a book. It's a very, very comfortable rig. Okay, now, the other thing I want you to know about this is that in the back and on the side, we have screens that zip in so you can have all the doors open and keep all the bugs out. Lots of fresh air and sunlight and no bugs. Isn't that cool? Now, we have a little bit of storage for hanging clothes right here. And of course, with a camper van, you don't have tons of space. You have to be really efficient with your space. This has a refrigerator. It's not a great big full-size fridge. It's a little bit smaller, but it's all electric and it works very, very well. It's super efficient, and it's up here at eye level, so you don't have to go down under the cabinet to try and get to your food. There's even more storage up here, and we'll close this right here. Now, I want you to come this way so that you could take a look in the bathroom. So Pleasure-Way's bathroom in the Ontour 2.0 is really, really efficient. It's got a porcelain toilet and a shower curtain. And watch this. I'm not a little guy. I got plenty of room. So now we're looking at the kitchen, and the kitchen's absolutely beautiful. We do have a microwave built in here, and you see this is an induction cooktop. This is a great thing to have in a camper van, and they're becoming quite common now because there's no open flame. You don't have to worry about dragging your sleeve across a burner or having any kind of a problem. This is just all electric, and it only gets the pan hot. It doesn't get the top hot, so you're not likely to burn yourself. It's also got a solid metal faucet with the squirter so you can do your dishes, single handle, and it's got a great big deep stainless steel sink. And of course the solid surface top is beautiful, and it makes the whole thing counter space. So it's just really nice. Now I want to show you something up here. This vehicle is already equipped with a large inverter, which is what makes your induction stove work and a lot of other things. And it's already got solar power on it as well. This is a solar controller. And this is something I really love. This is the Truman heating system. And this does your heating in here, both the hot water and the furnace are done with the Truman system. And what's exciting about the Truman system is, first of all, it's very quiet. It doesn't sound like a forced air furnace blowing like a hairdryer in your rig. And the other thing is that it will work on both electricity and propane, and even both at the same time. So I can really heat my rig up quickly. And it doesn't take a lot of heat to make this coach comfortable inside. It's very, very quick because it's a small coach. So now up here we've got the Ford, and up in the front it just looks like your Fords. It's nothing, it's not a big motorhome or a Sherman tank or a jet airplane. It's got a shift handle. This is your normal automatic transmission with your automatic override, so you can shift manually as well. It's got cruise, it's got redundant controls up here. It's got a big display, and this has navigation system. It has power mirrors, power awnings, cruise control, all of the things you want. This even has the sensor that'll tell you if you're getting in and out of your lane. It's full of the most recent innovative technologies. I think you're going to love this rig, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to get in touch with me if you have any questions at all. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.